If you are planning to make your first foray into 3D printing, then the first question that comes to mind is, which 3D printer should I buy? We have put together a list of the best 3D printers for construction and a buyer's guide for people who are just getting started. In the construction industry, 3D printing can be used to create plastic or metal parts that are used in buildings and architecture. It also allows architects to make models of their designs, as well as increase efficiency. Starting number 1, Creality 3D printers for construction use. Even after a power outage or lapse, Ender 3 can continue printing. It arrives with several assembled parts, and you only have to assemble 20 nuts well in about 2 hours. It reduces plugging risk while also allowing poor extrusion. It has a V-shape with POM wheels that allow it to run noiselessly, smoothly, and durable. Quick heating of the printing platform is assured by a brand-specific power supply and a high-watt warm bed. After a power outage or any other unexpected stoppage, Ender 3 can continue printing. The risk of the plugged nozzle and poor extrusion is greatly reduced. Allow you to create your own world and print high-precision models. This semi-assembled kit 3D printer is a perfect gift for kids who need to understand the basic construction of 3D printers. At number 2, Creality Concrete 3D Printer provides all-around protection to your 3D printer build plate while keeping a consistent temperature throughout the build surface. After cooling, the printing models are easy to detach. It arrives with a UL-verified power supply that can heat the warm bed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, saving your printer from unexpected power surges. After suffering unexpected power outages, Ender 3 Pro can continue printing from the previously recorded extruder position. This easy-to-setup kit is partially assembled, authorizing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. Mechanical engineering and electronics are a fun STEM educational building set experience. Provide users to upgrade their printer based on the source code and share the changes with the community, resulting in a better experience for everyone. At number 3, Creality Ender 3 V2 3D Printer. The Ender 3 V2 made-in self-built silent motherboard, which carries stronger anti-interference, faster and more reliable motion performance, silent printing, and less decibel operation. Equipped with Meanwell power supply, produced by a listed company with mature technology, and designed to meet all of the needs of fast heating and long-time printing. In addition, the machine's power supply is safe, giving it much more secure. Ender 3 V2 includes a rotary knob on the extruder, making the loading and feeding of feeders much simpler. A brand new operation UI system and a 4.3 smart color screen significantly increase user experience. The self-developed silent motherboard allows for slick movement under 50 dB while also making no noise during printing. The V-guide rail pulley of the Ender 3 V2 is a stable movement, low noise, wear resistance, and longer life. At number 4, FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite FDM 3D Printer. The build volume is 150 x 150 x 150 mm. The layer resolution is 0.1 to 0.4 mm, and the max print bed temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making removal and installation of nozzle easy. Has a quick heat up of the nozzle to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit in 50 seconds. It has a hassle-free removal of printed objects. An intuitive UI interface provides simple operation and ease of reading to the printer's status. Has an ultra-quiet printing operation that provides a pleasant printing experience in classrooms, homes, and offices. The build plate is leveled at the factory level and calibration is required. At number 5, FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D printer, removable and heating bed, much easier to separate and change models. It's compatible with a variety of 3D printer filament, including PLA, ABS, PTG, and others. In a single push, the nozzle is separated from the extruder. The stainless steel tube material is used for a variety of applications. In just 50 seconds, the nozzle was fast warmed to 240 degrees Celsius. When the filament is damaged or used up, printing will be automatically suspended, and printing will only be resumed after the user fills the new filament. At number 6, Voxelab Aquila 3D printer. The Aquila 3D printer carries a carbon crystal silicon glass plate and a super silent printing design. The printing model will not easily be warped and the printing sounds are below 50 decibels. When the power is on, the Aquila 3D printer could automatically continue printing. When encountering filament breakage, it will not print from scratch, freeing time and dodging waste. The easy-to-setup kit is partially assembled, authorizing you to read about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. Aquila is a straightforward BD printer based on free-source technology that is fully free to the public. It allows for a variety of flexible upgrades, as well as various modifications. Meanwhile, you can select VoxelMaker, Cora, and other software as your favorite.